In this video, you will see me using the Teami Repair Oil, and it is the newest addition to my skincare routine, but I feel like this is the one thing that was missing. I use this oil to substitute for the old moisturizer that I used to use, and I love this one so much better because it really absorbs into my skin. I have oily skin, so normally when I use any other moisturizer, it just makes my skin more oily. So I try to use as little bit as possible when it comes to other moisturizers. My skin just sucks it up, which is actually one of my favorite things about the oil. I don't feel like I have this layer of oil over my skin, and also it is 100% natural. This company prides themselves on the exclusion of all chemicals, harmful preservatives, and fillers. One thing I also noticed about using this product is that when I have anything on my face that either I popped or accidentally popped or irritated by accident or on purpose, this oil calms it in one application. From the first time I used it, I had a few blemishes on my face that I had troubled, and once I used the oil, it calmed all of them. Like the redness went away, the swelling went away, and the pain went away. That comes from the chamomile tea flowers that is known for calming and healing. The jojoba oil allows the product to absorb into our skin and not clog our pores. What another big point is for me is that a lot of the moisturizers that I was using before was moisturizing, but they were still clogging my pores. Then with the sea buckthorn fruit oil and vitamin E oil, those are responsible for the healing, the vitamins, hydration, correcting skin complexion, all of those things that we look for in soaps and moisturizers. I have only been using this product for about a week, and I have seen great results. From the first time I used it, I saw a difference. I saw that my skin was a lot less oily. I see that there's a lot less blemishes on my skin, and if I have something coming up that is causing inflammation or pain, the oil calms it. And I notice a little bit of a difference in my complexion, where some of the dark spots that were already there are fading. Overall, I absolutely love this oil. It is the best moisturizer that I have ever used for my skin. It smells beautiful, and I use it every morning after I wash my face and every night after I wash my face, so twice a day. You can go ahead and purchase it on their website that I will leave in the description box, and you can use my code ICE25 to get 25% off your oil. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished filming a video for this hair. So as you guys can see, I look all cute, topped by Joy Ashley. And I decided, like, let me go ahead and film my wind down routine, how I wind down from the weekend and get ready to get back into school mode. So let's go, y'all. Yes, so first thing I do is I take a shower, because the things that I do after I take a shower are pretty much making me wind down so that I can get comfortable to go to sleep, kind of like calming my mind and whatnot. I don't want to do all those things and then have to go take a shower. So first thing we're doing is taking a shower, and then I will be back. Okay, so sometimes in the shower and sometimes outside the shower, the next step is washing my face. I use the Urban Skin RX Even Tone Cleansing Bar, and this is what I use every morning and every night. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my face and brush my teeth, and then after that we'll head back to my room. after I put it on, I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth. And then after I brush my teeth, I'll wash this off and wash out my mouth at the same time. Y'all see. There's 3 of me, y'all. Now my next step is that I moisturize my skin. Next. So I lotioned my skin already. I'm gonna put on my clothes and then we're gonna move on to the next thing. I am just going to be cleaning my room now, and then we'll move on to the next thing after I clean my room. And usually when I clean my room, I either listen to a podcast or I listen to a video on YouTube by Sarah Jakes Roberts, or my podcast I listen to Tracy G. She's Beauty and the Beast. The podcast or the video that I listen to is always around an hour or over an hour, so it takes me about that same amount of time to clean my room. So by the time I'm finished cleaning my room, the video or the episode will be done. Those 2 things, whenever I listen to them, I feel like renewed. I feel cleansed. I feel like ready to tackle the next part of my journey. You know, it just like makes me feel enlightened, or like it makes me feel like more calm. It helps me sort out thoughts in my head. So that's what I do while I clean my room. It's kind of like my therapy. So that's what's about to go down right now. My video did not finish yet. I finished quicker cleaning my room than I thought I would have, which is good for me. I didn't spend an hour and change on it. I only spent like 20 minutes. That's a record for me. I got some momentum going here. I'm going to take care of my hair now and set it up for tomorrow, because I know some of y'all looking at it like, what's going on? So we're about to figure that out. homework, and that's probably what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. And then because I've already bathed and everything and my mind is pretty much calm, I just finished watching my church. Like, I'm ready to tackle the next day. I just feel like, especially during the week, I feel very overloaded. I feel very overwhelmed. I feel like I just have so much going on. Most of the time, all day Saturday, I'll be editing. So all week, including Saturday, I'm just going and busy. So I try to use Sunday to prepare myself for the week to come, because I feel like whenever I don't use my Sundays to wind down, I feel super like just on overload. And that's just because, like I don't know if I ever explained this to you guys, but my brain is just constantly going, like constantly thinking of ideas, constantly thinking about what I have to do. So if I don't use Sundays to wind down, to reassure myself that I'm okay, to reassure myself that things in my life are the way they are for a reason, that my purpose is aligning, if I don't like calm myself down and center myself back, I'll just be super overwhelmed, and just my anxiety will be crazy for the next week. So this is why I follow this routine. And then doing homework, which naturally lets my brain work and then makes me tired, so then I'm already in kind of like work mode when I wake up in the morning, if that makes sense. That's just how I process it. I try to follow it every Sunday, but I'm human. I miss Sundays, and then I end up all kinds of crazy the next week. But I try. As long as I do this routine every Sunday, I go through the next week feeling better, more clear, centered, focused, you know. So if you take nothing away from my Sunday wind down routine, I highly recommend you at least listen to one episode of She's Beauty and the Beast, or listen to one video from Sarah Jakes Roberts. I promise you, you will not regret it. But anyways, I love you guys. I hope that you took something away from this that can help you guys, because that was the point. But I hope that everybody has a wonderful week, and I hope to see you guys next video. Later.